How to install Google Chat on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I'll show you how to install Google Chat on iPhone. To get started, let's open the App Store. From the App Store, make sure that you are on the search page. So just tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the search bar at the top of the page. And then just look up Google Chat. And from the results, you should see this one with this green bubble chat icon or chat bubble icon. And all you have to do is tap get or this download button next to it. And afterwards, all you have to do is wait for it to be downloaded. There is an instance though that if this is your first time downloading this app, the App Store will require you to put in your password for your Apple ID. But in my case, since I've downloaded it before, it just automatically downloaded. So all we have to do now is wait for this download to complete. And while it's downloading, we can actually already go to the screen, to the home screen, and wait for it right here. It's just still trying to complete right now. All right, there you have it. The Google Chat has already successfully downloaded on my iPhone, and we can now tap on it to open it. And as you can see, there's a Get Started button right here at the bottom of the page. Just tap on that. And as you can see, I have several accounts. So these are the Google accounts I can use for this. If you don't have any of these just yet, all you have to do is tap on Add Another Account. And basically, just tap continue and log in with your Gmail. Tap on next and put in all the needed information and just keep tapping next until you successfully log in. But as for me, all I have to do is basically tap on this toggle button next to the account I'd like to use. Just allow the notifications, and that should bring me directly to the chats page. I don't have any chats just yet, that's why this page is empty. But if I do, this is where you'd see them. You can also tap on the profile icon at the right top or corner to manage your account or add another account. But that's pretty much how easy it is to install Google Chat on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.